Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY Dollar Tree mosquito repellent hair bow. Nobody wants to be that person with a big old dryer sheet safety pin to their shirt, running around like a big old dork. Now, some people think that dryer sheets help repel mosquitoes. I will leave that to you to decide whether they actually work or not. I'm just going to show you how to use the DIY for those of you who want to see if it will help keep the mosquitoes away without using chemicals all over your skin. And this is video number 98. And when I get to video 100, I'm going to have a giveaway. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to find out the details. Dryer sheets are known to help keep away mosquitoes. So we're going to make some cute little bows out of dryer sheets. So you're going to take your dryer sheet, and depending on the size of your bow, you're going to make it either this way or this way. So here is a large cheer type bow that I made going this direction. And this is a smaller bow that I made going this direction. So I'm going to make a big cheerleader bow, so I'm going to go this way. I'm going to accordion fold, and I'm just doing, looks like a little less than an inch on my mat here, probably about 3/4 of an inch of an accordion fold as I go back and forth. And when I get to the end, I'm just going to clip it for a second while I get my other stuff together. So I collect ribbon all the time. Gifts. This ribbon I think was a after Christmas sale with a bunch of Christmas stuff, but it's just red and white polka dots, so it's not that big of a deal. So you're going to get your ribbon, and you really just need a little smaller than the length of your dryer sheet, and you can do the fancy points on the ends, or you can just do a diagonal end on your ribbons. Sometimes I collect ribbons from gift wrap or the pull ties on shirts, you name it. I collect it in the weirdest spots. So I think this one I'm going to show you how to do the little notched end on ribbon. So you fold the ribbon in half, and you go from the fold to the outside corner, and that gives you that cute little notch. So I'll do that again on this one. Now you could also cut your ribbon to the correct size once you get it all assembled, whichever way is fine. So I'm just going to kind of layer my different colors here and make sure that they are kind of centered, so I know where the center is. And then I'm going to grab this, and again I want to just have it at the center. I'm going to stick my ribbons on top, like so. Then I'm going to take a twist tie, like from trash bags or from bread ties. You should probably have some laying around in your junk drawer in your kitchen. You're going to put that twist tie on there, and then you're just going to give it a couple of twists on the back side. Then you're going to take a barrette. These are from Dollar Tree. And you're going to stick the twist tie from the top around the middle part. Okay? So one on either side of that middle part, right here up near the end, and I'm going to give it a twist. And you could cut that to make it smooth, but I find that it can just kind of lay flat, and it's fine, because this actually really is a temporary bow. It's made out of a dryer sheet, so you can reuse your ribbon. You can, when your dryer sheet starts to lose its effectiveness, and you will still have all the materials to redo it. And there you go. That one would be cute for a 4th of July party that you don't want the mosquitoes on you. Now for my next one, I'm going to take my dryer sheet, and I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to do the same thing, but on a smaller scale. guys, Michelle here with Straw-Bearie Designs. I just wanted to let you know that this is video number 98, and when I get to 100, I'm gonna have a giveaway of craft supplies. So make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the red notifications bell to make sure that you don't miss any Straw-Bearie Designs videos.